Welcome to the South Reading Room of the National Library of Wales. This is a historic location. We used to show maps and pictures here. It used to be used as offices. And recently, this is where people were able to read manuscripts and archives. But those services have now been transferred to the North Reading Room. That reading room is a quiet place. It is still open. And here, we're closed for redevelopment. Thanks to support from the National Lottery Heritage Fund, here is where we will locate the main location for the National Broadcast Archive. Here we'll see history as it was recorded by BBC Wales, by ITV Wales and by S4C. This is going to be an audiovisual experience. There'll be video and sound. It's going to be digital. It's going to be interactive. People will be able to visit here. School children will be able to come here, and also volunteers will be able to work here. And I think maybe it's going to be a little bit noisier than we're used to, but I'm looking forward very much to that. Watch this space in 2022.